Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can create WhatsApp icon, URL and QR code for your WhatsApp bot, which you can further use to redirect your users to your WhatsApp chatbot. To create this, you firstly have to go to your WhatsApp chatbot. On the left hand side, you'll find the bots option. Just click on that. You will land on this page after selecting the WhatsApp chatbot. Then you have to go to the WhatsApp automation section here. Here we have the different subsections. You can create and manage broadcast and drip campaigns. You can manage your widgets and you can create your templates and you can manage your catalogs from here. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video links of all of them are given in the description box below. You can check them out. Now let's talk about how you can create WhatsApp icon, URL and QR code for your WhatsApp bot. For that, you have to go to the widget section. Widget is a chat interface that can be installed in your website, your ads, or any promotional content to redirect users to your chatbot. Here we have three options. To create WhatsApp icon, you can click on this chatbot icon option. From this button, you can copy your chatbot code and paste it in your website code. And your WhatsApp chatbot icon will be installed on your website. You can also see the preview on the right hand side. This is the chatbot icon that will be available on your website after you add this chatbot code into your website code. You can also create your WhatsApp chatbot URL by clicking on the link button. From here, you can copy your WhatsApp chatbot link and share it wherever you want and redirect users to your WhatsApp bot in a single click. This is the window where the users will be redirected after they click on your link. Similarly, you can also download the QR code by clicking on the QR code option and then the download QR code button here. The QR code will be downloaded into your system. And this is the window where the users will be redirected after they scan the QR code. This is how you can create your WhatsApp chatbot icon, URL and QR code for your WhatsApp bot. And you can redirect the users to your WhatsApp chatbot in a single click. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.